Hello, today I will show you how to create simple effect using HTML and then CSS. I want to create the button and then we can give a simple effect like a hover. Okay, let's start. Don't forget, open our editor and then right click new file. Don't forget to save and index.html like this. Open our HTML tag and then simple button CSS. Don't forget, first create our div. Oh, sorry. Don't forget, create our tag button here and create our label send like this. So let's start run our code in our browser here. Okay, and how about try to styling this button? We can remove our border here there and then change the background color, or we can give the icon inside. We can give the icon in front of the send button. Okay, like this. So for this tutorial, how about using internal or embed CSS like this style, and don't forget using type text CSS like this, and let's call our button here. Select your text button like this, open and close curly bracket here, and set border set to none here, and we can see the result will look like this. Okay, and let's give the background set to green, set to yellow like this, and then refresh. Okay, and let's give the more padding top, bottom, and right, left. So let's give the padding property about 20 pixel top and bottom, right, left about 100 pixel like this, and okay, perfect, like this. And let's give the shadow effect. Okay, shadow effect like this. Give the box shadow. We can put 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and shadow it's not black but gray. We can refresh again and right click, change the value. We can change the value like this. It's too much, 10, set to 7. How about 7 here? Okay, like this, and I think it's enough. The color is gray like this. Okay, 7 pixel, and then gray. Okay, like this one. Okay, so now the label here send. How about the color? Black. Okay, it's already black here, and change the size, font size to, how about 50 pixel like this. Okay, perfect. It's too much, so change it change it to 30 pixel. Okay, like this. And then we can give more margin. I mean, it's really too close between this letter, so let's give the letter spacing 5 or 10 pixel like this. Okay, nice. I think we have wrong value. It's not proportional, so give the size our padding about 70 pixel like this. And don't forget to create our font weight. I mean, change to, we need more bold font weight like this, and then like this. Okay. Nice. And if we want to create more around it, our border, we can see it's really too much corner, I mean. So we can create a rounded area here using border radius property. Border radius here, and then give the 10 pixel like this. Okay, adding the value 10 pixel first, we can change it later. Refresh, and then here we can, how about 25 pixel here, 25 pixel like this, and perfect. Okay, the main problem is we still don't have the effect. I mean, if the cursor inside the button, we can give the pointed icon like this, button, and then hover effect, give the cursor set to pointer. Okay, and we can see the result like this. Okay, perfect, like this. And then we can change the color. Background from yellow to another color. How about purple like this? And the color change to from black to white. We can using properties color and set to white here using hex. So, and then refresh like this. Perfect, like this. I mean like this. Okay, it's nice. Okay, it's just simple effect. Okay, we can give the background and then more transition later, or okay, I'll show you how to put our transition to this button. I mean more smooth. If we put our cursor to our button here, the transition from yellow to purple is so smooth, like this. However, and then transition set to 250 pixel, like this. Sorry, millisecond, like this. 250 pixel. Millisecond, 250 millisecond, and then refresh. See the difference when mouse enter like this. See the difference from yellow to purple is so smooth, and when the cursor is leaving the button, I mean, it's too fast from purple to yellow. So we can adding more transition property again in our button. It's before and after. Okay, so the button, we can give the transition again like this with the same value, 250 pixel millisecond, I mean, sorry, like this. Okay, and the result will look like this. Is so smooth Okay, we can give the background and more variation. Okay, it's just simple effect. Okay, because there is a lot of people who taught me to create a simple tutorial using a hover effect. Okay, so it's just simple tutorial. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.